What's up, everybody? These are all the tools that I used on the 2007 Toyota 4Runner Sport Edition, four-wheel drive with the 4.7 liter V8 on the getting the pinion seal out. Had to take out the drive shaft completely, front drive shaft. So ended up trying to use my slide hammer, my OTC slide hammer, but I need the smaller jaws. These jaws were too big. But here's my slide hammer. I did use a majority of these olsa tools, metric, flex, combination wrenches. I used this 3-jaw puller to get the companion flange off. I also tried to use this First Info windshield wiper puller. I used a 2-inch socket to center the seal. We used a 14 millimeter for the companion flange, front drive shaft, nuts and bolts. We have a 1/2 inch to 3/8 adapter, 12 millimeter shallow, 12 millimeter deep for the skid plate bolts. And then I brought out a 12 millimeter swivel I didn't use. This 7 millimeter I used to get the crease circ fitting out of the slip yoke on the front drive shaft. Got a 14 and a 13 millimeter swivels, 3/8 extension, and then a 12 deep and a 14 deep. A 1.5 pound dead blow and a 3 pound dead blow. Gear wrench 82208 and 82216, 16-inch and 8-inch indexing pry bars. Ended up using a brass, Mayhew brass punch, 17 millimeter double box end, 1/2 inch 3/8 and 2 3/8 ratchets. One's long, one's short. Magnet, 1/2 inch, 12-inch extension, and then a full-size 1/2 inch ratchet. Grease gun, DeWalt Atomic 1/2 inch, Milwaukee 3/8, and stubby, and then 1/2 inch high torque. And then the OTC slide hammer kit. I need to get the smaller seal pullers for that, but the truck's running. I got it. I actually drove to Harbor Freight, a 100-mile trip. Picked up some Daytona jack stands, 6-ton and 3-ton.